I'm not sure if you can see in the video, but the whole stairs are tilted and it feels very strange. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is one of the most remarkable architectural structures in the world. Most tourists are satisfied by taking a fan picture with the Leaning Tower. But did you know that you can actually go inside and climb to the top of the tower? Not all visitors have the opportunity to go inside because it's hard to book the ticket during the busy season, and the number of people permitted to enter is quite limited. Luckily, I got a ticket to go inside and had a very interesting experience there, so I'm gonna share it with you in this video. Enjoy! The Leaning Tower is located in the Italian city of Pisa. The city is about 50 kilometers west from Florence, which is known as the capital of the arts. It takes only 1 hour by train, so I recommend you go to both cities if you have time. I spent a few days in Florence before visiting Pisa. According to statistics produced by UNESCO, 60% of the world's most important works of art are located in Italy, and approximately half of these are in Florence. As you can tell from that, the city is full of great museums and architecture. This is lampredotto, a typical Florentine dish made from the fourth and final stomach of a cow, the abo mason, and it's one of the specialties you definitely should try in Florence. Okay, let's move to Pisa. The Tower of Pisa is part of the Campo dei Miracoli, a cathedral complex in the city of Pisa. The construction of the Tower of Pisa began in 1173 and was completed in the 13th century in 1399. A lot of people assume that the Leaning Tower of Pisa leans because of age. However, the tower actually began to lean as early as 1178, when only 3 stories had been built, caused by the soft ground consisting of clay, fine sand, and shells. During the construction, the architects of the tower tried to compensate by adding shorter stories on one side to correct the lean, but it didn't work. Today, the Leaning Tower of Pisa is more than 5 meters off its perpendicular center. After buying the ticket at the ticket counter nearby, you can go in the tower and reach the top by climbing the stairs, but they have a certain entry time and limit the number of people for each slot, which can be quite busy. So if you really want to go in the tower, you should book it online in advance. Luckily, I got an entry ticket, so let's go investigate the Leaning Tower. I'm not sure if you can see in the video, but the whole stairs are tilted and it feels very strange. Right now I'm tilted this way, like you kind of lose your balance here. The tower's height is 56.67 meters on the highest side with 8 stories, and there are 251 steps to reach the top. When you keep climbing that many stairs on a weird tilted angle, your brain kind of starts getting confused. You know, this feels like a little similar to when you get car sick. Even if you feel a little sick, you can refresh and recover at the top with a fresh air, which might be a little too strong. Oh my god, it's so windy up here. But look at this view, it's oh my god. Serving as the cathedral's bell tower, the Tower of Pisa still fulfills its ancient function. The 7 bells are perched at the top of the tower. The oldest was cast in 1262, and the most recent was recast in 2004. I'm driving down. Another famous story about this tower is scientist Galileo Galilei's experiment. Legend has it that he experimented with gravity from the top of the tower. He dropped 2 equal-sized cannonballs of different masses to investigate the old wisdom that heavier objects fall faster.
The sunrise behind me.
This tower is completely a product of chance, but it has been leaning for over 800 years and fascinating countless people even today. When you have a chance to visit, don't miss the opportunity to climb up this unique Tower of Pisa